Do you know how to use Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? 3 reasons to use this product. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a system that destroys fats based on a different blend of berries and healthy foods. The commanding plan has been obtained from Okinawa, Japan, and it doesn't only help shred fats, but it also sustains well blood pressure, blood cholesterol, and blood sugar indicators. The inspiring blueprint that deliberates the tonic's recipe also talks about other health-benefiting plans such as those that expand your sleep, eliminate joint pain, and improve libido. Flat Belly Tonic Analysis. Being overweight can lead to many doubts and health problems that can lead to anxiety. You always have to go to the doctors because of your health problems, and there is a risk of inviting more health problems. People who are overweight have an increased risk of various diseases such as joint pain, cancer, heart disease, stroke, and not only this, it is also a problem of confidence. Feeling confident about being able to fit in clothes, be able to look in the mirror, and look behind the image. Being overweight means you can't enjoy life properly. Why all receptionists, salesgirls, and managers are beautiful, good-looking, fit and their stomachs are also constricted. Why do obese people lose all such job opportunities? All of these issues highlight the need for a solution to melt excess fats. To avoid this problem, I would advise you that one of the many weight loss strategies is a flat belly tonic. This is the best way to lose extra fats. This is a program that helps you burn excess fat without any complementary supplements, without any strenuous exercise or a strict diet plan. Where to buy Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? This product is currently being offered at a huge discount. You can all take advantage of this great offer. Final result with Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a great weight loss product that helps shed off excess pounds. The blueprint comes with other useful strategies as well. The package is built on studies and is also totally natural, which is why depending on it is easy and risk-free. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic appeals to women's health audiences from any background. Made by 4-year ClickBank Platinum member and 8-figure copywriter, and is based on true events. How to get started? Sign up with an account at clickbank.com. Replace XXXX with your ClickBank affiliate ID or nickname. Insert your tracking reference following the TID equals value. Optional. Get started by choosing your affiliate link below.